How to create a scrolling timeline year animation effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Select the text tool from the tool panel and then click to create a text layer and begin typing your years or numbers in the program monitor. Next, come up to Window, then select Properties. Double click your text to select it and then change the font to whatever font you want. And here you can also customize the size and appearance of your text. Make sure you have it center aligned both horizontally and vertically. Then come over to Effect Controls and move the horizontal position until your first number is in the center of the frame. Next, come down to the opacity and select the square opacity mask and drag the edges so that your number is visible. Come down to the mask settings and set the feather to 50%. Next, come up to Effects and search for Directional Blur and add this to your text layer. Come back into Effect Controls and set a keyframe for the position and the blur length of the directional blur. Move your playhead to where you want this animation to end, mine's 3 seconds. Change the position so that your final number is in frame. If you want to get this perfect, you can come down to the mask, select it, and then just adjust the number so that it's perfectly within the mask. Create a second keyframe on blur length, then move your playhead to the approximate middle of the two keyframes, and then increase the blur length to your liking for your video. Next, change the direction of the blur to 90 so that it's horizontal. Next, select your two position keyframes, right-click, temporal interpolation, ease in, right-click, temporal interpolation, ease out. And that's all there is to it.